we are going to solve a problem in change the order of integration. Initially, we have to identify the limits. The limits of the inner integral is a function of x. Then it is a variable limit and the first integration should be with respect to y. Therefore, limit for y varies from y is equal to x to y is equal to a. Limit for second integration is a constant limit and the limit for x varies from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to a. Therefore, the given integral becomes integral x is equal to 0 to x is equal to a, integral y is equal to x to y is equal to a, x square plus y square into dy dx. Next, we have to identify the points for the curve. The point in this limit, points are x is equal to 0, x is equal to a, and y is equal to a. And the curve is y is equal to x. Now we have to find points for the curve y is equal to x. When x is equal to 0, the curve y is equal to x become y is equal to 0. Therefore, one point is 0, 0. Then, when x is equal to a, for the curve y is equal to x, the point become y is equal to a. Therefore, another point is a, a. For the curve y is equal to x, we got 2 points, 0, 0 and a, a. Next, we have to identify the region for variable limit. Draw the line x-axis and y-axis. Plot the point x is equal to 0. Plot the point y is equal to 0. Then the point 0, 0. Then draw the line x is equal to a. Draw the line y is equal to a. Plot the point a, a. Connect 2 points 0, 0 and a, a for the curve y is equal to x. Now, inner integration is a variable limit with respect to y. Then draw vertical strip from y is equal to x to y is equal to a. Since it is a variable limit and with respect to y, we have drawn the vertical strip. Now, next we have to change the order of integration for variable limit. When we change the order of integration, limit also changed. Draw the same picture. Now, the variable limit y is converted to x limit by drawing horizontal strip in the region. Now, the limit y is equal to x to y is equal to a is converted to x is equal to 0 to x is equal to y. Now, next, we have to identify the region for constant limit. Draw the line x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x is equal to a, y is equal to a. Now, the region of integration is enclosed between 4 lines. Outer integration is a constant limit with respect to x. Therefore, draw horizontal strip from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to a. Now, next we have to change the order of integration for constant limit. Draw the same picture. Now, constant limit with respect to x is converted to y limit by drawing vertical strip in the region. Now the limit x is equal to 0 to x is equal to a is converted to y is equal to 0 to y is equal to a. Now next we have to evaluate change the order of integration. Given integral is integral x is equal to 0 to x is equal to a, y is equal to x to y equal to a, x square plus y square dy dx is equal to y equal to 0 to y is equal to a, x is equal to 0 to x is equal to y, x square plus y square dx dy. First, we are going to integrate with respect to x. When you are integrating with respect to x, keep y as constant and evaluate with respect to x. For this, we can use the formula integral x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Now, in the place of n, we have 2. Therefore, the integration of x square becomes x cubed by 3. And y square is a constant term when you integrate with respect to x. Constant integration is k dx, k is a constant means we'll get k into x. Therefore, y square is a constant with respect to x means the integration is y square into x. So, the first integration is x cubed by 3. Second term integration is y square into x. Once the integration is over, close the bracket and apply the limits. Next step is in the place of x, you have to apply the upper limit as y. Then minus lower limit as 0. We got y cube by 3 plus y square into y minus 0 into dy. Now, both the terms contains y cube. So, we can take y cube as common. If you are taking y cube as common, we will get 1 by 3 plus 1. Now, in the next step, we can take LCM. LCM is 3. So, numerator is 1 plus 4. So, that is 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is a constant term. We can take it outside. So, 4 by 3 into integral y is equal to 0 to y is equal to a y cube dy. Again, we have to apply the same formula, integral x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. In the place of x, you have y. So, y, and in the place of n, you have 3. So, y cube integration is y power 4 by 4. Integration over, apply the limits 0 to a. You have to apply the upper limit first in the place of y. So, upper limit is a minus lower limit is 0. Now, we can cancel the constant terms. Constant term 4 and 4 get cancelled and finally you get the answer a power 4 by 3. That's the final answer. Thank you.